Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Let's talk about the latest news, our new achievements, the containers, but also the partnerships that have been formed with Tribal Technologies, Electroatom, and Dapaong, the company that's establishing itself everywhere. Thank you for following these updates so we can share the latest information with you. Let's start with the latest news in Togo, where a major conference will be held at the Dapaong Social Affairs Center at 2 p.m. on November 11th, organized by the Electroatom project. To this end, it will be led by our representative from Togo, Christophe Baloija, who will come to talk about the technology, along with his partners and friends who will be there with him to provide everyone with all the information about the technology, as well as how to become a co-owner of these technologies. If you are in this area, in this part of the country, come in large numbers so you can get all the latest news. And now, let's move on to Ouagadougou in Burkina Faso, where on November 2nd, there will also be a conference organized by our representative, Ousmane Zongo. Everyone knows that Ousmane Zongo is an experienced representative who continues to spread the project throughout Burkina Faso. For those who are in Burkina, hurry and come to this conference organized by Electroatom. We will also be talking about the technology, and don't forget that everyone who is interested will be able to register and purchase investment packages. To learn more about the project, don't hesitate to watch this video and also take part in large numbers in this conference organized by our representative Ousmane Zongo. Now let's talk about our trip to Africa. You know that the company Electroatom has decided to organize a major conference in the English-speaking region. This will be the first one. In this regard, there have been some small changes. We will no longer be going to Nigeria, but instead we will go to Ghana at the request of the President of the Republic of Ghana himself, who asked that the team come to Ghana to organize a conference to allow people to learn about this new technology, which is indeed coming to address electricity issues as well as all matters related to power outages. To this end, the company Electroatom and the team will be traveling to Ghana. The conference will be held on December 5th. On this occasion, we will also present the mini turbo generator, which will allow people to see the authenticity of this technology. The container and many other details will be showcased during this conference. If you are in Ghana, if you speak English, or even if you are interested and you are a French speaker, come in great numbers to Ghana. In Accra, we will be there and you will be able to get in touch with the representatives of this project, learn more, ask questions, and get answers. Don't forget, it's on December 5th. Come in great numbers. It is a major conference that will be organized. We will not be left out. The CEO will be present, the entire team will be there as well, and you will have the opportunity to meet the representatives in person. Last stage of the promotion in Vietnam, 30% bonus. Hurry up and buy packs to increase your chances of being the lucky winner. To this end, we have been able to allocate up to 5% that remains for us to reach the goal. We launched this promotion and we are only 5% away from reaching the fundraising goal. We remind you that this is still ongoing. If you are interested, get some packages and increase your chances of owning shares in the company. Now let's talk about the partner race, which is still ongoing. You can still follow this competition that lasts for 1 year until 2026. If you haven't taken part yet, hurry up to increase your chances, buy packages, and who knows, you might be the lucky winner. There's a car to be won, the Shanghai Unique. Don't stay on the sidelines. If you haven't taken part in this promotion yet, hurry up and do it, and who knows, you might be the winner. And now, we're heading to Saudi Arabia, where not long ago a recent video report was released showing the CEO traveling to Saudi Arabia to meet with Abu Bakr and all the distinguished leaders and high-ranking government officials there. The team recently went to this country to meet all those people who are interested in the project. I would like to remind you that in this regard, discussions were held, agreements were signed, and negotiations were carried out on how to support the Three Tomes project, how to invest in it, and how to enable this project to be represented internationally. For this purpose, we also arranged a guided visit to the largest and most important power plant, the biggest electricity company in Saudi Arabia. The video is available on YouTube. You can watch it and get updates, which shows that the project is spreading its wings and starting to bear fruit. We will now briefly discuss all the payment delays in this regard. You need to hurry up and pay your outstanding installments as soon as possible. For everyone who is currently behind on payments, please hurry up and pay your installments before you can benefit from any shares or stakes in the company. Thanks to your staggered installment payments, we have the valuable opportunity to acquire patents and licenses so that we can operate internationally, produce, and also market our products very soon. Thank you. That was all for today. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next week to share more news with you. For now, stay tuned, stay connected, and watch this video in its entirety. Please don't hesitate to leave likes, comments, and also your thoughts on my presentation if you wish. Thank you and goodbye.